Hi everybody, I hope you guys are doing well and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at you guys with an eyebrow tutorial video, a very simple one. I wasn't going to do one because I feel like there's so many eyebrow tutorials on YouTube, but it was very requested by my friends, so I thought I should post one. You know, I always say like whatever you want in the comments I'll post, and then I never posted this, so I think it's about time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned. Okay, so to do this, I'm going to start off with this essence. What is this actually? It's an eyebrow designer, this Essence eyebrow designer, and I'm going to start with the brush. And I'm looking at my mirror over here, so just don't mind that. And then, ooh, I'm going to brush them up. I always have a problem with this eyebrow because like it doesn't want to, the eyebrows go like, the brow hairs go like this. See, and I want these ones at the front to go vertically up, but I have to like force, and sometimes I have to graze it with my nail. See, that's what I need. But anyway, I brush them up, then I take the pencil end. I literally use two things. Usually I use a dry mascara to like brush them up, or you can use eyebrow gel. Yes, eyebrow gel. Damn. Okay, and then I start, basically I fill in the ends. Like I just draw, just lightly. See, it's getting darker. You don't have to be perfect with this. I mean, I don't make it perfect. I just have to, the aim is to fill in a little bit. See, oh, it's not even cute yet. And then again, I brush up to check where there's like sparse areas. Like over here, it's not as filled in. See? And then I usually don't really fill in at the front here because I wanted to have a gradient. So yeah, so now I just brush up. Yeah, so this is like the basic outline of my brow, and then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Okay, so now I have like the basic filling in of my brows done. So now it's time to use concealer. The concealer that I use is this LA Girl Pro Concealer, the one that everyone uses. And this is in the color Fawn. So here's what I do, okay? I have this old LA Girl powder because it's finished. Yeah, so I use this as like my mixing, well not really mixing, but like I just place it here so I can have more control. So I squeeze, come on, babes, there we go. Squeeze like a little bit out. All right, this is where artistry has to come in. So now you're gonna have to shape your eyebrows the way your eyebrow is shaped. Don't try and make a shape that is not your eyebrow shape, otherwise it's just gonna look weird and it doesn't look as natural. So see, I kind of have like a basic outline really, but like now I'm gonna shape it properly and like clean it up basically. So I start at the bottom and then I basically just go lightly, okay? And I follow the shape of my eyebrow. And then now I do the top, also little by little, okay? So now what I do is I just spread it out. And then I take my finger, my pinky, and I just rub so like as to blend. See, you don't even need a brush, bro. See, it's all right. See, I have to do this one and then we can fix this one because this one always looks better. I don't know why, but anyway, I'll just do the other side now. They look different. Okay, so see, right now we have a problem because this eyebrow is thinner this side and this one is. So what I'm gonna do, it's better for me, I'd rather fill in this side more than make the side thinner because I don't really like how this looks. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like fill in these empty spaces and then I'm gonna blend that out. So just when I blend with my finger over here, see, you don't have like a harsh line. And I hate it when you can tell that someone put concealer. I hate that. Like, it's not for me. Like, it may be for you, but it's not for me. Again, remember, eyebrows are sisters, not twins, so they don't always have to look the same exactly. But like, now I'm gonna just brush through them because here you can tell. Okay, there we go. My eyebrows are done, and now I'm gonna quickly do the rest of my makeup and then I'll be back.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You should like, comment and subscribe, okay, for more videos. I'll be posting more often. I'm gonna post a hair update video on my big chop because I did that like around this time last year. So I'm gonna post an update, and if you have questions about how the transition went, let me know in the comments. And yeah, if you have more questions about the eyebrow thingies, let me know. Any questions you have, just leave them down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.